Hello everyone, I hope that everyone is doing well and everyone is safe today. So we will continue with the statement of cash flows. The next term that we are going to see is the change in asset and liabilities, which is just a change of asset in liabilities between two period of times. So there are many components in the change in asset and liabilities, and these components are account receivable, inventories, account payable, accrued expenses, notes payable, and other. The two components that we are going to see today is the account receivable and inventories. Account receivable is what another company or your customer own to your company. So because this amount of money has not been received yet, it represents an outflow of money in our statement of cash flows. So the sign of the account receivable is going to be minus in our statement of cash flows. Let's move on to the next term, which is the inventories. The inventories can go from raw material to work in process goods to finished good. So the inventories is what your company is going to have in store, or a kind of reserve for your company, because it is not out yet. Like the inventories is, like I have said before, it is what your company is going to keep in reserve. So example here is that suppose that you have a shop of clothes, like a clothing business, and then you know that next month is Christmas. So what you are going to do is to buy or to purchase some clothes that you are going to sell during the Christmas period, which is next month. And because you didn't get these clothes out yet, and you have stored them, or you have reserved them in your shop somewhere, it is called the inventories. And these inventories can be a raw materials for example, not for your company who says already finished good, but for the company that manufactures those goods that you are going to buy. So if you go to a shop that manufactures these goods, the shop in contrast of you is going to have a raw material reserve, because example of raw material of this company is going to be threads, fabrics, pearls for the clothes ornament, stuff like that. And you are going to have a finished good inventories, and this finished good inventories is going to be just the clothes that you are going to purchase for the other from the other company. I hope that this is clear. And the inventories is considered as a plus in our statement of cash flows. Why is that? Because you already have these materials in reserve, or you already purchased these materials, so that when time comes you are going to get them out. So it is no longer an expense because you already have them. It is an inflow of money, and this inflow of money is represented in our statement of cash flows by a plus. I have decided not to make my videos too long after some reviews, so we will stop here and we will continue next time. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day. Bye.